guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you guys a very beautiful New Year's Eve and New Year's look. I really hope you guys like this because it is super easy to do, but if you guys want to see how to get this look, then just please keep on watching. Alrighty, so for starters, I'm going into the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, so into Intense, and I have not set my eye yet. So I'm going to go in this and throw this as my crease shade and really blend this in. Okay, and so for my second shade, I'm going into Volatile, which is that very pretty color. I'm going to go and throw this right under that shade in the crease, but I still want the other shade to show just a little bit because that will definitely make a big difference. The next step, I'm going into my Luxie 245 small shader brush, and I'm going to pick up in this palette Dazzling, which is that really pretty shade right there. And I'm going to pick up a little bit and then set it with the Ulta's priming spray, and then I'm going to put this on the outer part of my eye. And don't mind the fallout because we can definitely brush that away, but I want to get that started. And then I'm going into the Stilla's liquid eyeshadows, and I'm using Diamond Dust, and I'm going to put this all in the inner corner and put that as your little highlighting part as of right there, and blend this over halfway. Do not go more than halfway. And we are going to let that dry because I'm going to probably most likely do a second coat. But while that is drying, I'm going to do the same thing with Dazzling, set more, and then we are going to put this right in the middle where that ends and blend that out. And then to get a brush and brush that away. No worries on the bottom part because we are going to really smoke this out. And I'm going into another palette. I'm going into the Soft Glam, and I'm going to use Cypress, Umber, and Nior at the end and mix these together and really define the outer corner. And then we are going to bring that up as well. And then what I want to do is go back in with that first shade we did, first brush, and really just blend this out. And then we'll get this brush and brush all that away. And then we got the lid together, and then I'm going into first my Essence eyeliner pen, and we are going to just go ahead and do a wing liner. We are going to do our second coat and really make this pop because why not? See how pretty that looks. And then we are going to go back into Dazzling in the Norvina palette, and once again spritz a bit to make it a little more vibrant and really blend into there. Get that same brush and blend that out. And then I'm going to now go into the Stila eyeliner and definitely coat over. And then for the bottom, I really didn't do it on this side either, but we're going to go ahead and get a flat definer brush like so. And I want to make sure I clean this off in case of anything. And I'm going to go into the Soft Glam palettes, and I'm going to go into Cypress, Umber, and Nior and really smoke that out just on the outer part. And then I'm getting a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to go into the Nior palette, and I'm going to mix Incense and Volatile together and really smoke that out on the bottom because those are the only shades that we are going to throw under and really blend it. And now let's go ahead and throw on mascara. And as for mascara, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Voluminous Original and coat my lashes. So this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope it was very helpful for you guys to find a look for New Year's Eve and New Year's. So yeah, I really hope you guys liked it. So please give this video a thumbs up, and please do not forget to hit that subscribe button because that would mean so much to me. And yeah, so with all of that being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.